Welcome to garage. This is just garage with small stories. Today we have some goods which have arrived and we will be tuning the Tenere 700, putting the open pipes from La Vinci and then doing the Dyno Jet map, changing the map for the open pipes on the bike. Let's see what we got. The pipe. See? Okay. And this is what we got. These are the very nice Vinci open pipes, and this is the Dyno Jet. But we will go step by step. First, let's speak about the reason why I choose the La Vinci pipes. Simply, they're the cheapest ones. And why Dyno Jet? Because it's the cheapest option. Yeah. Let's open one by one. Where is my trusty knife? Okay. You know what they say, pipe is the pipe. So, okay. First cylinder. Second one, I don't know why I have the special need to do this. The cylinder connections of the pipes. Okay. Now, a very important segment. You cannot put the open pipes if you don't install the new map specific for that. And not only that the Dyno Jet is the cheapest option. Yep. It's also the best one. Why? You can always return your bike to the factory map if something doesn't work well. Secondly, it's specific for the Tenere 700 with the maps already installed on the device, I think. And it's a very simple process as I saw, but we will go through it again when we start. So yeah, that's it. Skid plate removal. I haven't washed the bike. Probably everything will be stuck. Anyway. And now we will start. We need some extensions so we can reach the bolts which are here, and removing a bolt here and removing the oxygen sensor from the factory exhaust. Okay. A little bit of WD-40 for easier penetration. Let's try to remove the sensor. Done. Very nice. Okay. So they start moving. Come on. Yep. can shake it as much as I want. There is one more bolt underneath. We removed it. It's removed. Now when we have removed the original pipe, let's mount the open pipes from Mivv. We will take a little bit smarter process. First assemble this. Immediately we will put the spring here, because when you mount it onto the motorcycle, know how you will approach it actually, that you can mount the spring. The longer pipe is the right one, the shorter pipe is the left one. So basically this is going to be the setup, and then we will attach this to this. If you don't have the spring puller tool, you get one from in the set, so you can use that one, or you can use your one if you have it. So let's start with the process. Simple. Do not tighten anything. We will just put things, loosely tighten it, and then fit it all back when the system is assembled completely. Here, so. Done. Perfect fit. Now. That middle pipe. Now this one is much easier than the original one. Easier meaning lighter, also easier to mount. Yay! Here. Simple as that. Again, spring tool. Get the proper ground and pull. Simple. No. That's it. So we installed the headers, we did everything properly, and now we will return our Mivv high exhaust, because this is a special combination, a freaky child of Mivv and Mivv systems. First of all, Perfect. That's it. First thing is, we turn the contact on, we connect the Power Vision software and the device immediately. Okay, all requires files found. We press to searching, and now because we have the full exhaust, I'm sorry for my nice hands. Yeah. We are searching for the 221311 tune, and this is our setup. 11 full exhaust, stock intake with raised rev limiter. So two two one three one 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 221311. That's our setup. We click. Yamaha Tenere 700, 11 full exhaust, stock intake. That's it. Pair this device to the connected vehicle. Yes, we press to continue. File cleanup. Not pair. Delete and yes. Continue. And the process will last, we will see. Initializing the process takes about, now it's 50%, it will take time. Flash tune, select enter. Which one will be the connected device better than okay. If I may be visible, okay. Enter the tune, okay. They are verifying now. Accepting, writing. So, key cycle. We turn off and we wait for 20 seconds. We turn on. We wait for 20 seconds. Off. Another 20 seconds. Turn on. To continue. This should be it. Now we are setting what will be on the screen.